Hey guys, it's Sarah aka saradplans. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my very first PR order from Tilly B Plans. I just started PRing for this shop. You guys can use code PRGALSARAH for 20% off your order, and I will leave shop information and that code down below for you guys. So this is a surprise. I have no idea what's in here, so I'm really excited to open it up and see what I have and to share it with you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. There's this cute little sticker that says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." So the first thing she sent me are these foiled social media icons, and they are rose gold foiled, and these are a new item in the shop, the foiled icons. So we have Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. So these are really cute. I'm going to put these right in my social media planner. And then she sent me a kit, and I believe, yeah. So this is a TN kit. So it's a smaller kit. There's not as many sticker sheets. I believe there's 4 sheets. So you have your full boxes here. And this is like a really nice spring kit. So this box says, "I love you," and then this quote box says, "A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking because her trust is not on the branch but on her own wings." So that's pretty cute. And then you have a full box heart checklist and some dot icons. And here you have some to-do headers, some page flags. And then you have these really cute little quarter boxes with the little bow. And then a bunch of half boxes here. And then these cute little bow decos. And then the last page has your date covers, date dots, weekend banner, and a bunch of like functional deco. That's what I call these because you get the little picture, but it's also like scripty words, so it's functional deco. And then she sent me a full kit. So this is a like St. Patrick's Day kit. So these are all your full boxes again. And then you have your full box heart checklist with the little dot icons on the side. And then you have your washi page, so you have bottom washi, washi strips, some more of those functional dots, and then these little dots over here. And then you have your headers, weekend banner, page flags, a habit tracker, some deco, half boxes, and quarter boxes. Some more half boxes, date dots, functional deco, your date covers, little things, some flags, checklist flags, and some of those little heart bow clip deco. So this is a 6-page kit, and it's made for the Erin Condren. So I'm really excited about these kits and the foil sheet. I'm definitely going to be getting more of these foiled stickers. I'm going to order some. So yeah, you guys make sure to go check out Tilly B Plans on Instagram, and there's a Facebook group, and check out her shop. Make sure you use my coupon code Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!